The Wings program gives you the opportunity to create documents with information you have populated into the program. To create documents, you'll use the Docs Templates button. Select your document from the list of alphabetized options. I'm going to create the 1696. Select your document, click Merge, click Show Me, and the document will open in the bottom left-hand corner of this window. Double-click on the document name. The document will open, and you'll see here that the client's name and address and phone number are populated, as well as your main rep, the address for the firm, and the phone number. Within these documents, we can work with you to pre-populate the rep ID so that that's already in the document before it's created, as well as pre-check any checkboxes that you have checked on a regular basis.